Hello guys, today we're going to be talking about how to get your hair soft and shiny for the holiday season when it's really cold out, and if you're like me, then your hair tends to be really dry and staticky. It doesn't want to stay in place. And I'm going to be sharing with you like a little mini hair care routine featuring all of the products that I recommend for you to use if you want that perfect holiday hair that is soft, shiny, bouncy. If you want to buy or learn more about any of the products that I'm going to mention, you can click at the bottom of the video. Thank you to YouTube for sponsoring this video. The first thing that we're going to start with is shampoos. Depending on where you are in your wash routine schedule, you can use either of these. The first shampoo is the Redken Hair Cleansing Cream Shampoo. This is a clarifying shampoo. It's one that I feel like is perfect for the wintertime. In the wintertime, your skin tends to get dry, which means that your scalp might get dry. Of course, you still need a clarifying shampoo, especially if you're using silicones on your hair on a regular basis, but you also don't want a clarifying shampoo that's going to make your scalp even more dry. That's why I recommend the Redken Hair Cleansing Cream, because it's going to exfoliate your scalp to get rid of all of the dry flakes, but not to the point where it will make it even more dry. It's going to remove all of your product buildup so that you will be able to start with like a clean slate, which I think is really important when it comes to trying to achieve the shiniest, softest hair that is possible for you, especially considering the products that I'm going to be recommending within the next steps. This is going to be really important to add to your hair care routine. Given that it has sulfates, I definitely don't recommend you to use it every single time that you wash your hair. This is a shampoo that I personally use once every 3 to 4 washes. Now, for a more everyday shampoo that you can use in the wintertime, I highly recommend the Aveeno Fresh Green Blends shampoo. So this is sulfate free. It has ingredients in it like mint and rosemary extract that are going to help to soothe your scalp, which is especially important in the winter. My scalp gets so dry and so itchy in the wintertime. So this is just that everyday shampoo that is going to help with that. It has no dyes, no sulfates, and it's just a really great everyday shampoo for oily hair. But at the same time, it's not going to dry out your scalp, which is important for the wintertime and the holiday season. On to the next step. This is one of my favorite steps. This was actually my #1 drugstore hair care product in a video I did a while ago where I told you guys the top 10 drugstore hair care products. This is the L'Oreal Wonder Water. Basically, the components in the Wonder Water help to fill the gaps in your hair. So the gaps that are on your hair follicle that can contribute to damaged looking hair, dry looking hair, and the Wonder Water fills those gaps so that it is a lot smoother and silkier and shinier. And it also helps to prevent damage, because in doing that, you're making it a lot more detangled and smoother, which is going to help contribute to less damage. Now with the Wonder Water, all you have to do is pour some on your hand. I like to rub it between my hands a little bit before putting it on my hair. Then you just run it throughout your hair, and you're gonna notice that it almost immediately detangles your hair. And then I wait about 2 minutes, and then I rinse it out, and my hair feels so incredibly smooth and soft. You do not need to use conditioner after. You can. My final 2 products for this hair care routine for perfect holiday hair. The first one is Olaplex #6, and then the second one to use together is Olaplex #7. This is the Bond Smoother, and then this is the Bonding Oil. You guys have probably heard me talk about these products so much, so I guess just for the context of this video, I'm just going to explain to you how to use these products exclusively for this video. First of all, after you've washed your hair, before you even comb it out or anything, you're gonna take a wide tooth comb or just like a hairbrush, whatever you use to detangle your hair when it's wet, and just brush out your hair. It's going to help to detangle your hair so that when you are brushing it out as it's wet, it's going to get the tangles out. You're not gonna cause any damage to your hair, but you're also adding the protective benefits of the Olaplex Bond Smoother. So once you have applied that to the lengths and you've combed or brushed it out, then you are going to style your hair however you want, whether you want to air dry it or whether you want to blow dry it, curl it, whatever you want to do. Once it's dry and you have reached the end of your hairstyling routine, then you can use the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil as a serum for your hair. This is also going to help to reduce the staticiness in your hair. That's just one of the main reasons why I use hair serums / hair oils so frequently during the winter time, because they always help to reduce the static in my hair and just helps to make it very soft. Also, it just helps to give it that like one last add of shine after you're done with your hair care routine and your hair is styled. And then finally, one of my favorite things about these products is that they are super, super beneficial for your hair, just in that they protect your hair from damage because they have silicones in them. The sun can damage your hair, brushing can damage your hair. There are so many things that can damage your hair, and this helps to coat your hair and just protect it from mechanical damage, heat damage. So you're going to not only have really nice, beautiful, soft hair after using these, but it's also going to help you to maintain that soft, beautiful hair as the freezing cold, drying winter months continue. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I am so happy that I was able to share this with you. This is kind of a preview to my next long form video, which is going to be my full in-depth hair care routine, which I definitely need an updated one. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much to YouTube for sponsoring this video. Don't forget, if you want to check out any of the products that I mentioned in this video, at the bottom of the screen here, it's going to say view products. You just click on that and then you're going to see all of the products that I mentioned today, and you can click the product and it will bring you to the page where you can purchase it, you can read about it, whatever you want to do, it will bring you there. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a nice holiday season, and I'll talk to you next time.